All right, guys, welcome to absolutely the most beautiful city I've been to in a long, long time. We're currently at Dubrovnik in Croatia. Absolutely superb. So make sure, I've got King's Landing behind us. So make sure that you subscribe, hit that like button and follow our adventure through Dubrovnik today. It's absolutely a beautiful day.
City of Game of Thrones.
City of Game of Thrones, that's right, Tracy. And come and enjoy the ride. Let's go. All right, Trey, what a place to eat a gelato. Right outside the old fort. Absolutely beautiful in Dubrovnik. Look at that. Tracy's loving her ice cream. Yep. And look at the views just outside the gates. This is one of the main gates actually. You actually catch the buses. All the buses come here and the taxis. And as usual, we went to the wrong gate and that's why we had to carry our bags, all them down, all them stairs. We can actually walk through here and it's actually, we're in a good position right in the middle of the town. But this is the main entrance into the old town of Dubrovnik. Enjoying your ice cream? Yeah. All right, let's enjoy this ice cream and we'll take you somewhere else in the beautiful town of Dubrovnik. All right, guys, we've made it to King's Landing. It's a lot bigger in the movies, in the show. Look how small it is. And there's the old town up there, the wall, and the fort up the top of the hill. We'll walk down there and have a look, but this is actually where they filmed the Game of Thrones there. Not very big, is it? Little gap there. Alrighty, let's find Tracy. Enjoyed the gelato, nice cookies and cream. I'm going to walk down and show you down the bottom of the King's Landing down there. Enjoying your gelato, Trey? Beautiful. She loves the gelatos. All right, let's go. I know, travelling for 4 months straight so far. Definitely got to watch your waistline. Too many gelatos. All right, let's go. All right, we've made it to the bottom of where, Tracy?
King's Landing. King's
Landing. All right, so we were just up over the back of them buildings before. It's very deceiving, isn't it? What they show you on TV. Let's walk out and have a look. Over the back you can hire kayaks as well. It's very beautiful. With I'm not sure if you can see because of the sun, but the big fort at the background there. It's absolutely beautiful. People are down here fishing. You can go for a swim. There's there it is there, right there. But yeah, the water's crystal clear. The old town's over the back there, and we were going to pay 40 euros to walk along the top of the wall, but someone said it takes an hour and a half and it's nothing up there. You're just walking along and looking at the views on top of the roofs. So I think we're going to miss that. I don't mind paying 40 euros, but I just don't want to waste my money. So leave a comment and see if you would pay the 40 euros each to walk up there and walk around without actually seeing much. So, all right, let's have a look at this beautiful harbour. Beautiful harbour, Trey. All right, there it is there. The kayak's over there to rent. Absolutely superb. Beautiful. All right, just walking down the bottom of King's Landing. It's definitely on TV, doesn't it? It just...
Tiniest little harbour. This is it. This is it. I recall there's some ships came in here.
Yeah. You're a bigger fan than I am. I love the series, but Tracy really loves it. But yeah, this is the size of the King's Landing. So you're saying the big massive ships come into here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's really, you're lucky to fit a couple of rowboats in here. It's not very big. There's a nice big fort up there. I like the fort. And
there's no army coming in here.
No army. And there's the old town on the other side of that wall. But the water is absolutely crystal clear, isn't it? It's nice and clear. All right. Well, let's make our way up. Yeah, we're going to go walk up towards that fort. There might be a nice view over the top. All right, let's go. Beautiful. Absolutely Croatia. Oh, the bus ride coming down. Oh, absolutely amazing coming down from Split. It makes me want to come back and do a road trip throughout Croatia because the scenery on that bus was next level, absolutely next level. So definitely another trip planned for Croatia in the future. Absolutely amazing. All right, we're making our way up to the fort just by King's Landing here. That's another view, absolutely amazing over there. All right, let's walk up. Alrighty, look at this beautiful little fortress castle. Coming up, a few stairs, but it's pretty easy to go up there. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look at the views over here. King's Landing. All right, let's keep on walking up. Get some beautiful, oh, we're going to get some mega views of over the city. You're probably better off coming up here than walk along the wall, to be honest, aren't you? Pay €40 and then I don't know how much it costs to get up in here, but you can see over the city anyway. Let's make it up, way up there. All right, look at the amazing view up here. And we're on the side of the fort up, on the opposite side of King's Landing down there. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys, we made it up onto the fort, opposite side. And there's King's Landing down there, where the boats went in. We were down there earlier. And the top of the wall. And the Old Town in the centre. Absolutely superb. Beautiful day. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. All right, we're going to make our way down, wander around the Old Town. I'll show you where we're staying. We'll show you the accommodation. And we'll keep on walking around and showing the beautiful sights of Dubrovnik. Let's go. All right, I just love look at the laneways around here, Trey. Absolutely.
Look at those stairs.
Look at them stairs that you got to walk up.
Every alleyway along here that's flat, you look up the alleyway and they all have stairs to the top like
you
that.
can't even. You probably won't even be able to see how far they go up to the top.
Every single street.
Absolutely.
No kidding. Where's our hotel?
Yeah, just there. All right, so we're just going to continue to walk around. It's absolutely beautiful. You can walk up any laneways, couldn't you? Yeah. You find something beautiful.
You can get up the stairs.
Oh, if you can get up them stairs. All right, let's make our way up and have a look around the area. All right, guys, we've just checked in. There's a little foyer for the little bed and breakfast. I've already taken our bags up because I couldn't film doing that. So they left a little envelope there with our name in, which was really awesome. And I'll show you.
See these stairs.
These stairs, they go all the way up the top. This section's actually not too bad. It's carried in 2 big suitcases. There's a nice little foyer area in here. And they give you little biscuits. But it's coming up here and we're on the top floor. It just keeps on winding all the way up. All the way up. Plus we've got to go one more up, but I won't film it all the way up. But yeah, definitely when you come to Dubrovnik, especially if you've got heaps of luggage or you're elderly, you've got to make sure that you're not on the top floor or if there's elevators or there's an easy way to get up. Because this is brutal. It was brutal for me to carry 2 25 kilo bags up here. So that's a big tip if you come to Dubrovnik, is make sure that you know where the accommodation, how to get up to your room, and hopefully you're not on the top floor. All right, let's make our way up to the room. Look how steep that stairwell is, and we're on the top floor, so we're on the 5th floor. And they're carrying 2 bags up there. I tell you what, we're struggle town. All right, so we've made it into our little hotel for the next 2 nights. It's like a bed and breakfast. So it's actually quite nice. I'll tell you the price in a minute. So it's actually nicely decorated. Nice little purple. It's got like little crowns on the chairs there. There's obviously a safe and a dryer. You got tea and coffee. You got a little mini bar in here. Bathroom here. Toilet. Everything you need. I like the exposed wood beams on the ceiling there. Nice. Oh, would you say queen or king? Probably in between. And this is the view Over the town of Dubrovnik. We're actually, as you said, on the top floor. Right down there. We haven't been to Dubrovnik before, so nice little view over there. Alrighty. Alright, so we're going to go for a wander through the streets and see what we're going to get up to. We're here for 2 days, so we'll make 1 or 2 videos. So come along and enjoy our adventure for today, hey? We caught the bus. We caught the bus down because it took 4 hours. I think we paid 15 euros each on a flexi bus. It was actually quite good. They stopped once, nice and comfortable. It was a beautiful bus. So, I didn't tell you, 100 euros a night this was. So it's actually, I think it's beginning of October. So that's not a bad price for being in this city, because it's a massive range of prices you can actually pay in Dubrovnik. All right, enough said. I've shown you the hotel, shown you where we're staying. So we're going to go for a walk around and I'll show you what Dubrovnik has to offer. Let's go. This is absolutely amazing, isn't it, Trey?
Yeah.
Look at this. There's a little harbour down here. I think there's must be a cruise boating, because that's like a tender. But you can, the cable car, I think there's a cable car that goes up into the lookout up the top there. All right, let's walk around the city walls, eh? Let's have a look.
I haven't seen a city like this before ever.
Oh, it's beautiful down here, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this is definitely a city you've got to come to.
But the streets with the stairs, they're so unbelievably steep.
Oh, yeah.
There's stairs everywhere.
When you come here, you've got to be careful where you book, because if you've got like heaps of baggage,
You don't want to climb the stairs.
you want to climb the bags. Climb the stairs with the bags, because it is tough. And I've got a dodgy knee at the moment, and I still found it hard, didn't I?
We've struggled here.
All right, let's go. You know what? It can't get any more beautiful. I tell you what, this is one of the most picturesque little towns I've ever been to in my life. We're on the edge of the wall. The wall's there, the city wall. And look at that. Absolutely amazing. People catching their boats and then just come into this little harbour I was in before. But look at the city over the back, the town, the old town. Absolutely. This is a must-do. A must-do, isn't it, Trey? All right, we'll continue walking around the city walls and find something really nice for you to look. That's not going to be hard, because everything's really, really beautiful around here. All right, found a nice little swimming hole. It's actually nice weather today, isn't it? It's nice. I mean, Tracy got a jumper on, but it was freezing before. But it's a perfect swimming spot here. Look how crystal clear the water is. There's 2 people out there swimming now. We're just on the outside of the walls. And there's people taking in the sun. But it's absolutely beautiful. Definitely, if it was a bit warmer, a bit hotter, I'd definitely come down here and have a nice dip in the water there. But there's a little cruise ship. I think that's one of them 5 or 6 star cruise ships. It's not very big, but it's an expensive one just out there.
Okay, we're here in Dubrovnik, and for you Game of Thrones fans out there, that down in her walk of shame on the top of the stairs. The building they use is the same. You see it in the sea. It's season 5, episode 6, and behind it's all CGI with their city. But this is where they filmed it.
So this is exactly the
where
same.
they filmed it.
Exactly where you filmed. So Tracy's about to walk down. Are you going to get naked and I'm going to yell out shame to her? Because this is where it happened. So just that stairwell come down here.
That stairwell right there, all the way down here.
All right, so when are you going to do it?
No, sorry.
Yeah, she's going to go and do it now. I might have to blur some of it out. All right, we're going to continue walking up these stairs, the stairs of shame up there. Let's go. Guys, look at the fort behind us of the night. Absolutely It just lights up. I don't know if you can it'll capture it on the GoPro or not, but it's a very pretty old fort, isn't it?
And the
An old
moon
city.
above it.
Alrighty, let's walk in and we'll film some of the inside of the old town of a night, and I'll show you what it's like of a night. It's absolutely beautiful during the day. Alright guys, it is night time. We just had a bite to eat at a little Italian restaurant. Had pasta. I didn't film it. It was nothing. It was nice, but nothing flash to show you on the camera. But this is what it's night time. Absolutely beautiful lights. Beautiful of a night, isn't it?
But actually, we can get the stairs.
Oh yep, we're going up to the stairs where Tracy's going to be shamed again.
I'm always shamed.
She's going to be shamed. All right, we'll get into the light, see if the pics are, it's a bit dark out here. All right, let's walk up and I'll show you the shame of a night. It's beautiful of a night. There's people eating, cafes everywhere, restaurants everywhere. All right, we'll end the video up here on the stairs, I think. Let's go. All right, guys, we've made it to the stairs of a night. It actually looks nicer of a night. There's not as many people around. It looks beautiful of a night down here. Let's walk up. That's how they take the dishes back up from the bottom up to the top. All right, guys, we've had a great day in Dubrovnik.
Beautiful.
One of my favourite cities in the world so far, isn't it?
It's been amazing.
It's absolutely a beautiful, beautiful place to come see.
Like dim lights.
Oh, it's beautiful of a night. We're going to end the video walking along this beautiful street here in Dubrovnik. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yes, join us.
Thanks, guys. See ya.